this truck down the road a little ways and see if the transmission works. I mean, it rides good. I showed you underneath. It's all stock underneath. I mean, nothing's been cut. The springs look good. It's all It's even got a factory spare tire under there. I mean, shit. Ooh, it shifted. First to second. I mean, we can't hurt this motor any worse, so might as well just see if the transmission works, really. Side of the highway. Man, all this shit's grown up. Well, we know the transmission works at least.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Man, that previous owner, he drove the shit out of this truck. That's what happened.